I will show you exactly how onion farming can make 3 million naira in just 3 months on 1 acre in Nigeria. How me and many other farmers get 60 jumbo bags of onions and much more, starting with the land preparation. This costs up to 80,000 naira to clear and prepare the land, especially in the southern part of Nigeria. But some farmers try to do it themselves to avoid this cost. Then the next is seeds. Seeds cost 15,000 naira for local seeds and 40,000 naira for hybrid seeds. But the hybrid is the best option for onion farming, especially if you want to get 6 tons per acre. Once you've gotten your seeds, you would want to establish a nursery for your onion seeds, which will cost you 35,000 naira for your hybrid seeds nursery. After the nursery, your next cost, and which is the most expensive, is your fertilizer. This would roughly cost you 155,000 naira for all the different types of fertilizer that I will discuss later in the video. The next is weed control, which will cost you around 40,000 naira for all the pre-emergence and post-emergence herbicides for your onions that I will also tell you shortly. Labor should likely cost 50,000 naira for 1 acre, but it varies, and places like Kano have cheaper labor than that of Lagos. Lastly, transportation, bags for storing the onions, and other miscellaneous costs will be likely 50,000 naira. Now, when you add everything, you would need 450,000 naira to start onion farming on 1 acre as your initial capital in Nigeria. So now, the question is, how much yield would 1 acre of onion get you, which is 6 tons per acre? If you are familiar to going to the market, you will notice that onions are packed in jumbo bags that weigh roughly 100 kg. That means from 6 tons per acre, you would get 60 bags of onions, and each is sold for 60,000 naira in general, which is 60,000 naira times 60 bags, and it would give you 3.6 million naira in revenue. This means that you would invest 450,000 naira and then get 3.5 million naira in just 3 to 4 months. Here is the most detailed explanation on how to start onion farming to make millions in just 3 to 4 months. The first step is to acquire the best land for farming. You should first prioritize the distance to the land and most especially the security before looking at whether the land has a deep, well-aerated, well-drained loamy soil that is rich in organic matter. Because due to the security issues in Nigeria right now, you would not like a situation where you've watched this video, took notes, and then cultivate your onions, and then 3 months later, all your onions are stolen, or worst, you are kidnapped by kidnappers because of security issues in the country. Once you've gotten at least an acre of land that's close to you, has no security issues, it's deep, well-aerated, well-drained loamy soil, rich in organic matter, you would want to till the soil deep, because remember, onions are tuber crops and they need a very deep and aerated soil to grow and swell properly. Once you've gotten everything right on your land, you will then get your seeds. You can either choose the local seeds, which are open pollinated, or the hybrid seeds. I would suggest you get the hybrid seeds so that you can get 60 bags of onion. You would get 1 kg of red coach F1, which would likely cost 40,000 naira. But there are different types of hybrid seeds also, like red creole and many more. But I would suggest that you stick to red coach F1 because it has been proven to get up to 60 bags in 1 acre. The next step is your nursery establishment, because onion seeds should not be directly planted on the open fields, but should be kept in the nursery for 4 to 6 weeks before transplanting it to the open field. It will cost you 10,000 naira for nursery bed preparation, 10,000 also for watering if you have to buy water, and lastly, 15,000 naira for labor if you don't do it yourself, which brings the total to 35,000 naira for the nursery establishment. Once you are done with the nursery, the next and the most expensive step is your fertilizer program. Onions need nutrients in 3 stages. Number 1, NPK for root establishment, nitrogen, urea for leaf growth, potassium, MOP for bulb swelling. You will need 2 bags of NPK 15-15-15 to be applied when transplanting. That will cost you around 70,000 naira. Then a bag of urea to be applied 3 weeks after transplanting. That cost 40,000 naira. And lastly, 1 bag of MOP, potash, to be applied 6 weeks after transplanting. That will cost you 45,000 naira. If your land is low in organic matter, you can also add a bag of manure, but this is optional. The right way to apply the fertilizer is 3.5 centimeters away from the stem and covered lightly. This brings your fertilizer total to 155,000 naira for 1 acre of onions. Next step is weed control. Onion hates weed competition because they have narrow leaves and swollen roots. The best strategy I use specifically is that I spray pre-emergence herbicide after transplanting. Then at 1 month and 2 months after transplanting, I then weed with hoe. And I typically spend 15,000 for pre-emergence herbicide. For example, the one you see on screen right now. 5,000 for knapsack spray labor, 20,000 for weeding twice. The total will then be 40,000 on weed control. After weed control, transplanting labor, general field labor, e.g. scouting for insects, harvesting plus bagging labor would likely cost you 50,000 naira if you don't do it yourself and you have to employ someone to do it. Lastly, miscellaneous costs and other costs like bags for storing the onions, transportation expenses like petrol or diesel, and other costs would likely cost you 50,000 naira also. There is something I forgot to add, which is pests and diseases. Purple blotch disease is the most deadly onion disease in Nigeria currently. Use these pesticides you see on screen right now to combat the disease. And that's it. This is the full guide for you to plant onions on 1 acre land and invest 450,000 naira to get 3.5 million naira in just 3 to 4 months. Like, subscribe, and share this video. Peace.